Okay. Boy, Elmo's not sure what that is. Oh, that's vanilla. Yummy. Yeah. That looks like an egg. Wait a minute. Hans, are you making cookies? Yay! Oh, Elmo loves cookies. Oh, do you need the bowl? Here's the bowl. Oh, Hans is putting the butter in the bowl. Oh, and the brown sugar, put that in too. And the egg. Oh, is that the vanilla? Oh. Wow, good technique. Oh, and now you're putting the flour in. And the baking soda. Oh, can't forget about the oats. And the cranberries. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that. That's like magic. Okay, now what? Wow! That's the tiniest baking sheet Elmo's ever seen. Oh, and you're putting the teeny tiny little cookies on a teeny tiny little baking sheet. That's cute. Oh, 2 cookies, one for Hans and one for Elmo. Be careful putting them in the oven. And now we wait. Oh, look at that. That's some whole wheat bread. Wow, look at that lettuce. Oh, what's in there? Oh, little cheese and little turkey. Now put the bread, Oh, Hans is making a sandwich. Yeah! It takes a steady hand. Boy, Elmo's getting hungry. Oh, look at that little tiny sandwich. That's adorable. You're gonna wrap the sandwich up in plastic. She is so good at this. She's so good at this. Carrot. Oh, be careful. Elmo's mommy and daddy always cut Elmo's food for him. It's very important. Such precision. Aha, celery. Wow, this is fascinating. There you go. Oh, the cookies are done. Yay! Careful. Ooh, they smell good. Oh, boy, it just fits. Thank goodness.